All right, today I'm going to do a quick review on the WolfBox NomadRover 5-inch and 3-inch pod lights. On my Bronco build, I'm using the DVA dual mount bracket, and I'm pretty sure WolfBox is coming out with the dual mount bracket, but I didn't want to wait for it. I just got the DV8 one. It looks awesome. I love it on my Bronco. It's very practical. I'm using the flood lens cover on the 3-inch pod. I really like the flood covers. It's more like a work light. It really spreads the beam out. Makes it freaking awesome looking. Later on, I'm going to show you how bright these lights are at night. For the price point, I think you're going to be really surprised. They have DRLs in the 5-inch. The 3-inch pods don't have any DRLs, but it's okay. You know, they're just made to project light off the side, or you could put them anywhere you wanted to, really. But on my Bronco, so far I'm really enjoying them. Like I said, they're super bright. I am running a stubby antenna on my passenger side because right where the antenna goes, it was blocking the DRL. I listen to Spotify mostly. This little stubby antenna, it does, you know, work for radio reception, but it just looks way cleaner like this. Way cleaner with the little antenna. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show you a little bit about it. Here's how I have my wires run up the windshield channel. The install is super easy. Anyone can install these lights. I'd say it took me an hour and a half to get everything done. The wiring takes the longest. Installing the lights themselves is really quick and easy. I'll show you under the hood real fast how I have the wiring done. All right, here's how the wiring comes in right here with the plugs. I've got it zip tied, goes all the way over to the other side. Like I said, it's kind of self-explanatory. WolfBox actually has an install video on their website that shows all this. Of course, there, you know, both my positive leads, fuses I got right there. I've got a lot of stuff wired to this Bronco, so it's kind of a mess. But I got everything zip tied over here. Here is my relays right here, zip tied to the side. Like I said, the install is very easy to do. Literally anyone can install these lights. Now you will have to take off this fuse panel right here, and you'll have to tap into a fuse. I'll show a picture at the end of the video, which fuse you tap into. But yeah, like I said, dude, install's easy. Just take your time with it. WolfBox literally gives you everything you need. They even give you a little pair of white gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty or worry about cutting your hands, you know, doing some, you know, maybe the part that might take you the longest is feeding the wire through the little rubber grommet. Yeah, here it is, little rubber grommet down there. That part might take you the longest. But other than that, the install is super quick and super easy. Here's where I'm mounting my switches at on the inside. You can mount them anywhere you want. They come with double-sided tape. They're actually really nice switches. They have a nice little click when you hit them. Plus, you know, they're lit up. This right here is for my 5-inch. This is for my DRLs. Turn them off. This right here, of course, is for the ditch lights or the 3-inch pods. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty easy to wire and set up. Like I said, I'm really enjoying them. See, I'm showing you guys at nighttime how bright these things are. I think you're going to be impressed. The housing is IP69, I believe. That's or the light itself is an IP69 waterproof rating. Plus, these are aluminum, cast aluminum housings. Dude, they're really good quality lights. I've had them for about 2 weeks now, or maybe 3 weeks. I haven't used them off road yet, but I've used a lot on road, just goofing off with them. And dude, I totally dig them. I would totally get these again for my build. Like I'm running Morimoto's on the front of my Bronco. These lights are crazy expensive. These are the HXBs, or I can't remember what they're called, but they're the more expensive ones, the brighter output lights. And I promise you, these lights up here are darn near the same brightness, if not brighter than they are. I'll show you later. Like I said, I'm very impressed with them. I think WolfBox did an excellent job. Just stay tuned for the night video. You'll see what I mean.